guess what I got? Just had to insert this into another weekly vlog. I've not even officially made the intro yet, but oh my word, I came home and I am putting my costume away, putting all my bags away, and my room is dark. And then I turn the light on and there's a surprise on my bed. 1, 2, and 3. I think somebody left me a surprise while I was away. I was like, oh my goodness, I didn't even really get a chance to celebrate Easter this year because I worked, but I think I know the person that left these. So JC, if you're watching this, thank you for making me laugh when I got home. These are so cute and I cannot wait to open them and see what's inside. Actually, let's just open this first one together. Oh, it's a sticker! Guess what? It has Mickey on it. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna put this in my water bottle. Thanks, JC. I love you. Back to another Abigail Page Designs Disney College program vlog. I am on a day off. It is currently Tuesday and we just got a jam-packed day, man. We started off the day with a nice 7-mile run because guess what? Marathon training has officially started. Woo! It's been really good. It's obviously like not easy, but I think that's the whole point. It's supposed to be challenging. I must say, with the marathon training, the appetite has skyrocketed. I mean, I feel like I already ate a pretty decent amount of food, but now that we're running almost every day and stuff, my goodness, your girl can down a whole hamburger in about 5 seconds. So, yeah, but it's been super good. I kind of just have like I said, a busy day. We got some meal prepping. We got to make my bed that I stripped. We've been doing lots of cleaning, just kind of getting life back in order. And then we're also, my roommate and I, Abby, are going to go to Costco. It will be my first official time going to Costco as a Costco member, so I am so excited. And then, yeah, right now I'm currently heading to Saratoga Springs for a little bit, just kind of look around. I love Saratoga Springs. It's my favorite resort. You know what? I shouldn't say it's my favorite. I love them all for different reasons, but Saratoga is amongst the favorites. And then after that, we're gonna do a nice gym weightlifting session together and more meal prepping, sheet cleaning. Gotta call my family, and yeah, let's just tune in for a busy, productive day. I will catch up with you guys when I get back from Saratoga. Maybe I'll film a few clips too, but see you when I get back. Guys, we are heading home. Gonna pack up and then head to Costco. It was so fun at Saratoga, went great. We are just enjoying the beautiful weather. It is quite toasty out today and I'm loving every second of it. I know that sounds crazy, it's like 95, but that's exactly the way I like it. I like it warm and sunny, very sunny. But yeah, we're gonna just continue on with the day and enjoy the beautiful scenery around me. It was quite possibly the longest bus ride of my life. I'm finally back, and now we're gonna get ready to hop in the car and go to Costco. But my lord, I know I say this a lot, but I just think I need to reiterate it in case you guys thought I was joking. I miss my car so much. And if any of you guys are planning on like doing the Disney College program and you're watching this, bad idea. Bring your car. If you have a car and you're blessed to take it with you, take it. Do not leave it home. You will regret it. It'll be fine the first week, and then after that, you're gonna be like, this really sucks. You are constantly chasing after a bus. Doesn't matter where you're going. You're stuck. So yeah, bring your car, please. Bring your car. Where are we at? Costco. Oh my gosh, guys, it's the little things in life. I cannot believe I have a Costco card. It's official. We are gonna have so much fun, and this is my new bestie. I do not need more plants. I do not need more plants. We're back from Costco, and this time we didn't get so lucky. I got an orchid. Her name is Elsa, and I think it'll look really good in the living room, so I'm not too mad about it. She was only $10, and honestly, I mean, for that price, like, I'm from Michigan. Orchids cost a fortune, so I'm a little excited. I'm gonna unpackage her and make sure the soils looks good and everything, but to be honest with you, I'm probably gonna have to repot her soon because this is a mess in there, but she's so cute. I love her. And then I got some blueberries and a big stinking watermelon that I will cut up on Monday. So yeah, very productive. We had fun, and now I'm gonna eat some fruit, and then we are going to go do a leg workout. I apologize for the lighting. It's getting dark out, so we have this weird in-between. A little lonely right now. We'll have to get her some friends soon, hopefully. But for now, that's just, it is what it is. I love the pot. It's pink, so cute. But I just need to repot it. I can tell that the roots are like not super great. So I'm gonna have to order that. Yay, go me. Way to spend all of my money on, you know, all the things. But plants make me happy, so I feel like it's a fair trade-off. But yeah, other than that, I'm gonna go eat my fruit, and I will see you guys at the gym. Folks, it is approximately 2-3 hours later, I believe. We did a killer leg session in the gym, and then I talked to my sister and I showered, and now I am about to get some dinner, which is going to be chili, but instead of having beef in it or beans, because your girl's special and can't have beans, and doesn't do super well with beef either. It has chicken in it, and then I guess it's my version of chili, we'll put it that way. It's more like a vegetable soup. It's got zucchini, squash, potatoes, etc. But it's really good, I can assure you. Very spicy, if you like spicy things. And I'm gonna work on my YouTube video for the week before this one goes out, and then yeah, I think we're gonna watch the next Harry Potter. We are on the 3rd one, I believe. I only ever made it to the 5th one like years and years ago, and then I never finished, so we're rewatching them. And then we're probably just gonna go to bed because I have work tomorrow, and then I'm off Thursday, and Thursday is long run day, people. We gotta do 17 miles, and I am nervous and excited, and haven't ran that far in a really long time, so should be interesting. I might vlog the experience, I might not. I have not officially decided yet. But yeah, sorry for like, I don't know, I don't feel like I talked a lot in this video. It was just a lot of do. But there's just a lot of behind the scenes work going on at the moment, and as soon as all of that is currently up in the air becomes more solidified, then I will have to do a life update for you guys. But yes, super exciting things coming. Make sure you stay tuned because it's only gonna get better from here. Let's go get some chili, quote unquote. Also, I'm sorry, JC. I'm borrowing your bowl. I promise I will wash it. Apparently I don't have any like bigger glass bowls, so I need to add that to my list of things to get, because just eating soup out of a plastic bowl is just not it. Paper or plastic, I'm sorry, I just can't. So I need to add that to the list. But yeah, I'm gonna get to editing, and I will update you guys a little bit later. Hello everybody. It is currently 2:41 p.m. and I am exhausted. So we are going to go to bed. I kind of forgot to pick up the camera for the rest of the evening, but basically we didn't do much. And that's exactly how I like my evenings to be. I just like to kind of have them be relaxing and let myself unwind, put on my comfy bathrobe, and yeah. But other than that, it was a busy day. I feel good about what we got done. It's a little weird going into work tomorrow and then having another day off, but you just gotta roll with the punches. I got my schedule for next week, and it is interesting, to say the least. So that'll be fun. But yeah, I just kind of had, I don't know, a very good day today. So other than that, I am going to end this vlog here because I can barely formulate a sentence and am struggling to come out with words. So, but yeah, I will see you guys in my next vlog. Like I said, I might vlog on my next day off. I might not. I'm not really sure yet. I probably will, but we'll just feel it out, see how I'm feeling. But if not, then I will see you in next week, I guess, question mark, for you guys. I don't even know anymore, because like, you know, I film a week in advance, and then you guys get to see it a week after, so it gets a little bit confusing, but you know what I mean. But yeah, other than that, I love you all, and until next time, good night!